Hi, this is Adriana, and this is step 12 of Mindset 360 training with Asia. And this step, it talks about the act of forgiveness, forgiving others or forgiving ourselves. So when I started learning about the Bible, the first verse I learned, it says, sobre todas las cosas guardadas, guarda tu corazón, porque de él mana la vida, which there are several translations. So the one most closely to what I just said in Spanish is, guard your heart above all else, for it's the source of life. And of course, it's Proverbs 4:23. And the other versions read like this: above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Keep your heart with all vigilance, for from it flow the springs of life. Keep thy heart with all vigilance, for out of it are the issues of life. Watch over your heart with all diligence, for from it flow the springs of life. Guard your heart above all else, for it determines the course of your life. And it talks, this verse has been with me like forever. And see, if you lose part of your body, but as long as your heart is beating, you're alive. Even if your brain is not working, your heart beats, you're still alive. However, if everything else is in perfect condition, but your heart fails, that's it. So anyways, one of the instances that I want to talk about that I had to forgive myself was because, like, when my son was very young, I treated him, I was such a mean mom. I treated him like, I would reprimand him because I wanted to do everything the way I wanted. I wanted him to be like organized and do everything, perfect. And he was only a child. And sometimes I would even spank him. So at night, I felt so terribly bad that at night I had to cry myself to sleep because it was horrible. So it was after a lot of parenting classes that I started becoming aware of how I was treating him and how I could do things differently. And bless his heart, he has taught me so much about love, and he has helped me to forgive myself. And I think God has given me the opportunity to work with children, just to do things differently than the way I did them with him. At least with my daughter, it was also different. So it helped a lot. And one of the instances that I had to forgive other people, there have been many people, but the main situation that happened to me several years ago had to do with my dad and the things that happened to him, the injustices done to him, and which I was not aware at the time. I had to forgive myself for what I did not do for him. And I had to forgive others, even people that are supposed to be part of my family. So what happened to him was like beyond comprehension. And we live that every day. What's happening right now, it just goes to show, what happens in our lives every single day. But knowing this, in my case, knowing the Word of God and feeling all those emotions, it got so bad that I was working at the time, and as I was commuting to work, I went in my head all the time, over and over and over, on the situations, on the conversations, of the arguments and everything. And it was so bad. And several times I almost got into accidents, and it wasn't one time, it was several times. And I knew I could not go on like that. But thank goodness, he has always placed people in my life that have helped me. And in this occasion, they helped me to forgive, forgive all these people that that were involved. And of course, it's not easy. Nothing is easy. It's not impossible. But we have to go through. We have to go through the pain. We have to face like everything that is thrown at us. And for some reason, we do not understand why things happen or injustices happen. Maybe we'll never will, I don't know. But anyways, I had the word of God. I knew that I couldn't keep all those emotions in my heart, and knowing also that I had to have a sound mind, and just to protect myself, my body, my mind, everything, and my family as well. So at the time I had to forgive, and I had to say the words. I told God, I don't want to. But I knew I had to. And just because I told him, just because you tell me that I have to do it, I'm going to do it. But I want you to know, I do not want to forgive. But thank goodness, he has helped me so much. And just his word, I kept praying and praying. I pray a lot. That's my meditation too. And thank goodness it has gone so much better. And I completely understand why people, get into so much trouble because of that, and because they don't have the resources, or they don't know. But sometimes we know we have the word, and it is difficult. It's not impossible, but yes, we have to go through that, and it's part of life. What happened to Jesus is he's our best example, and we just learn from that, and we keep going, we keep pressing, and we keep trying, because we're here, and we're here for a reason, and we're here to teach others how to overcome any situation. So it's been these experiences are what make us who we are. And again, the only thing I could think is to teach others and to help others overcome whatever comes to our lives, even when we do not understand the reason behind it. But as long as our hearts are beating, we need to take care of them, and we need to take care of our minds and everybody else. Thank you for watching. And this is part of the 100 video challenge for SalesVision. And just go to the link below in the description, click on it, and you'll find out more about Mindset 360, how it's changing many people's lives. Thank you for watching. Bye.